Yeah, worst baseball player ever. Coming at you now.
One life lesson for you to learn. You always hit the ball with that side of the bat. See the dent? It's hard work. Hard work. City boys and girls is always part of baseball.
He's gonna be teaching you some fun facts, by the way. So listen closely. He's got a star pitcher. He's got his bat in his hands. That was a ball. He hit the ball. I think you need your bat, mister.
Got him. What a hit. Come on, come on. Come on. What the?
Nate. Oh, gosh.
This is used for pitching, boy. Come on. Pitch the ball. Hi-ya!
No, Nate.
Oh,
Nate.
hey, bat.
Nate, you have to pitch the bat. Isn't that how you want to play?
No,
Pitch the
no.
bat and hit it with the ball.
Home run! Come on.
Nice.
Okay. Let's go.
You pitch with the bat and you hit with the ball. That missed me.
Well, go back. Come on.
There we go.
Right. Home run! Ready? This is how you throw a